he had not been given a fair trial in the High Court, as its presiding judge, Mr. Justice Mushtaq Hussain, Chief Justice of the Lahore High Court, and also because the Central Executive Committee of the Pakistan People's Party, presided over by appellant, had joined issue with him in respect of statements made by him, Mr. Justice Mushtaq Hussain, within brackets, in his capacity as Chief Election Commissioner in August 1977. He strongly criticized the observations made by High Court in para 609 to 616 of its judgment, describing him as a Muslim only by name and not living up to ideas or conduct prescribed for Muslim rulers of Islam. Mr. Bhutto stated that this criticism was unjustified and was clear evidence of bias against him. 8. The conduct of the members of the bench holding the trial as well as deciding the appeal is fully demonstrative of bias. Mr. Justice Maulvi Mushtaq Hussain, the then
where is this set? Paragraph 609 to 616?
My Lord, this is in the Lahore High Court judgment, the trial court's judgment.
And the citation is?
My Lord, the citation is PLD 1978.
PLD 1978?
Lahore.
Lahore. Page?
Just bear with me, man. 1978, Lahore, page 523, sir.
523?
523. This was a 5-member bench of the Lahore High Court which was conducting the trial. The conduct of the members of the bench holding the trial as well as deciding the appeal is fully demonstrative of bias. Mr. Justice Maulvi Mushtaq Hussain, the then Chief Justice of the Lahore High Court, Lahore, was known to be biased against Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto due to being superseded. The entire legal fraternity and judicial community was aware of the temperament of Mr. Justice Maulvi Mushtaq Hussain, who never concealed his bias and hatred against Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. It will not be out of place to mention here that international community showed complete no confidence in the judgment in issue by defeating Mr. Justice Anwarul Haq for the slot of International Court of Justice, whereas Mr. Justice Dora Patel, one of the authors of dissenting judgment, was going to be elected unopposed, whose nomination had been withdrawn maliciously by the then caretaker government, who had come into power after toppling the democratically elected government of Mohatma Benazir Bhutto Shaheed.
Who was the Prime Minister in this caretaker government?
I believe it was Mr. Ghulam Mustafa Jatoi.
Are you sure?
1990, if I'm not wrong.
AG Sahab, was there any application made to the Lahore High Court showing no confidence in the then Chief Justice?
The record reflects that several applications were made. Admission of former Chief Justice of Pakistan, Mr. Justice retired Naseem Hassan Shah, on print and electronic media that the decision of Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto's appeal was under coercion does not leave any doubt in the mind of a sane and prudent person that it was a judicial murder which was decided and executed by dictator.
On what basis is this statement being made? Where is this admission?
My Lord, there were 2 interviews which were given by late Mr. Justice, retired Naseem Hassan Shah. One was, I believe, in 1996, but the other more recent one in 2009.
Have you filed the transcript of the interview?
My Lord, I have to file.
To whom?
It was given, it was a television interview which he had recorded, which he had given, and it was also reported in the press.
Which channel or which person?
My Lord, I will have to place it on record.
Mr. Farooq Naik, do you know?
Farooq Naik would have, but I'm aware that there was an interview.
Mr. Iftikhar of Geo News. Mr. Iftikhar of Geo News.
Iftikhar what?
Iftikhar Ahmed, I think so. Iftikhar Ahmed.
Iftikhar Ahmed. Is he still in Geo?
Jawab De program. Jawab De program.
Is he still in Geo News?
He's still, I think he's still there.
And which is the other interview?
Geo mein nahi hai, but he's still here. He's still here.
And which is the other interview? You said there are 2 interviews.
Yes. There was this rather older interview.
Yes, there was a second interview he had given to an unknown person, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा था कि कहते हैं जो मार्शल लॉ लगता है तो हमें मार्शल लॉ वालों की बात सुननी पड़ती है.
One thing which you may want to make a start, making a note of these things. We would want, we'll pass an order, but we'll want to have these, whatever.
We will give the videos as well as the transcripts.
Exactly.
We'll do that. Thank you, sir.
So just make a note of this.
Yeah, I made a note of it.
Right. Did he mention that who has coerced him?
Pardon?
Did he mention that who has coerced him?
Who has coerced him? Yes. Well, he used the word martial authorities. Because the martial law, General Ziaul was in power, and it was all orchestrated. The malicious design was orchestrated by General Ziaul. to execute Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto.
You mentioned an application being filed by your client, but that was not filed by you, or was it filed?
It was filed by me, I think, in 2018.
Yeah, Biju filed ki, that's by Mr. Raza Rabbani.
No, my lord, I filed this at CMA in 2018. I'll give
No,
the
no,
number.
now.
Now अभी तो मैंने कोई फाइल नहीं की है.
No, for-
अभी मैंने खाली live stream.
You filed it, or Mr. Raza Rabbani filed it?
I filed it, my lord.
Okay.
And recently I filed an application for live broadcasting.
Okay, I was an impression that Mr. Raza Rabbani has filed.
No, I filed it, my lord. Thank you.
Ji, please continue.
From paragraph 9, my lord. This admission tantamounts to violation of constitutional oath of
skip the
office
oath
which
to
reads...
read.
No, we skipped the oath.
Naseem Hassan Shah's book, Constitution, Law in Pakistan, pages
Constitution.
52 and 53. Kindly read and everything will be very clear.
Okay. Constitutional laws.
His book is Constitution, Law and Pakistan Affairs.
In Pakistan, and published by
Published, I do not know, but it's written by
Pages?
former Chief Justice.
pages.
52. Pages are 52 and 53. And how this judgment was compiled, everything he has written.